What do you think would happen if you did 100 squats every single day? What kind of benefits would you receive, and how could it transform your body? We're going to cover that right now, but it's also important to know what not to do when doing squats, which will be covered later in the video. Strengthens your lower body muscles. When performing squats, it mainly targets the quadriceps, gluteus, maximus, hamstrings, and calves, while calves are not primarily used. In the squat, it is an essential muscle used to stabilize your ankles and provide support during the squatting motion. By doing this daily, it can help with increasing muscle mass in the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. After practicing squats for a few weeks, you will find that completing squats daily becomes a lot easier. Strengthening the muscles in your lower body are essential for performing everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and lifting objects. By improving lower body strength through squats, you'll enhance your ability to perform these tasks safely and efficiently. Just before we get on to the second point, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Burns calories. When you do 100 squats a day, it builds more lean muscle mass. If you have more muscle mass, you will have a higher resting metabolic rate. This is because muscle cells require more energy than fat to contract and relax. So even when you are resting, your muscle cells are burning more calories than normal. When you complete 100 squats per day, how many calories do you think it burns? This will depend on the type of squat you do. You can do the barbell squat, where the weight is resting on your shoulders, dumbbell squats, jumping squats, or normal squats. To perform the normal squat exercise, keep your chest up, shoulders back, and tense your core. Bend your knees as you lower your body while pushing your hips back. Aim to squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or lower. Then push through your heels to return to the original position. If we're talking about calories burning for 100 normal squats, you can do roughly 25 squats every minute, which is roughly 8 calories. So if you do 100 squats, that's 32 calories for every 100 squats. As you can see, squats don't burn a ton of calories, so I highly recommend pairing it with a cardio exercise, like running, if you want to burn more calories. By regularly performing squats, it engages various muscles in your core, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles. Strengthening these muscles helps support the spine and maintain proper alignment, which can improve overall posture. Squatting involves flexing and extending the hips, which helps improve hip mobility. Tight hips can contribute to poor posture by causing pelvic tilt and putting strain on the lower back. By increasing hip mobility, squatting can help alleviate this strain and promote better alignment of the pelvis and spine. Squats, especially when performed with intensity, elevate your heart rate. This increase in heart rate stimulates blood flow throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs more efficiently. Better blood circulation means that oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently to muscles and organs, leading to increased energy levels and overall vitality. This also helps flush out metabolic waste products from the muscles, reducing soreness and speeding up recovery after exercise or injury. Performing squats with proper form and gradually increasing repetitions or resistance over time can improve muscular endurance in these muscle groups. This enhanced endurance allows you to sustain physical activity for longer periods without fatigue, whether it's during exercise, sports, or everyday activities. This can also increase proprioception. Proprioception refers to the body's ability to sense its position and movement in space. Squats challenge proprioception by requiring you to maintain proper alignment and control throughout the movement. As you become more proficient at squats, your proprioceptive abilities improve, enhancing your overall balance and coordination. Squats performed with heavy weights or high intensity can lead to increased testosterone and growth hormones. Testosterone plays a crucial role in regulating libido or sex drive in both men and women. The increase in growth hormone may indirectly affect libido by promoting overall vitality and energy levels. The magnitude of this hormonal response may be influenced by factors such as exercise intensity, volume, duration, and individual variability. Providing the body with proper nutrition, rest, and recovery strategies can help support the release of testosterone and growth hormone during the post-exercise recovery period, promoting muscle repair and lead to greater muscle growth. As you perform squats, these muscles are stretched through a full range of motion, which helps to improve their flexibility over time. Regularly practicing squats can gradually increase your flexibility and mobility of the hips and ankles. Improved flexibility often goes hand in hand with increased strength. As you strengthen these muscles through squatting, you're also increasing their ability to move through a full range of motion. Stronger muscles are often more flexible and less prone to tightness and injury. Strengthening these muscles helps to provide stability and support to the knee joint. Stronger muscles around the knee can help absorb forces and reduce stress on the joint during movements like walking, running, and jumping, which can ultimately help to prevent knee injuries. Proper squat technique involves maintaining alignment of the knees with the feet and hips, which helps to distribute their forces evenly across the knee joint. By reinforcing good movement patterns, squats can help prevent excessive stress on the knees and reduce the risk of injuries such as ligament sprains or cartilage damage. As you squat down and then explode upward, especially with jump squats, you're effectively training your leg muscles for explosive movements like sprinting and high jumping. Squats with heavier weights or variations like jump squats can help you both run faster and jump higher. By practicing squats regularly, you can improve your neuromuscular coordination, which translates to better coordination and efficiency in running and jumping activities. So when you do land from a jump, your legs will be able to take the impact. Now we have gone through the benefits of doing 100 squats per day. We'll just go over the top 3 mistakes to avoid, so you reap all the benefits whilst avoiding any injuries. 1. Leaning too far forward during the squat can place excessive strain on the lower back and knees. Proper squatting technique involves keeping the chest up and maintaining a straight back. 1. Failing to engage the core muscles throughout the squat, which can compromise stability and cause your back to arch, eventually leading to back problems. 1. Make sure to stretch your hips, ankles, and legs when completing the squat, as this can lead to a restricted range of motion and lead to compensatory movements during the squat. Incorporating hip mobility exercises into your routine can help improve flexibility and form. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will enjoy this video, which includes a hanging challenge. Check it out to see if you can complete the hanging challenge. I'll see you in the next one.